Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a basic tune-up report for Tim in Tennessee on the Connex 3300 HP. Tim, we got it ready to go for you, bud. I'm going to go and show you low power. 25 watt slug. There's you at 2 watts. That'll still swing. Let me show you. 50 watt slug. Hello, 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 hello. 50 watts in the corner. We're going to flip it on the high power. Now the low will be if you're going to run an amp or something. 25 watt slug. There's 5 watts. Hello, 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 audio. 50 watts in the corner. Let me show you average power. Hello, about 13 bird average. It's clean and it's going to be mean. Hey Tim, I hope you enjoy it. We're going to get it out to you from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bom, bom.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.